Side angle reveals every detail of the mobile crane.
Boom lifts for the final factory demonstration.
Boom lifts weight slowly, testing full-length crane hydraulics.
Raw steel plates arrive for the crane's full-length chassis assembly. Workers and robotic arms organize steel for the mobile crane frame.
Chassis beams staged on jigs for perfect alignment.
Robotic welders prepare to joint the full-length chassis frame.
Robots weld the crane's full-length frame with precision. Lasers verify perfect alignment of the full-length chassis.
Axle staged for installation on the giant crane.
Axles slowly installed onto the crane's chassis.
Hydraulic suspension mounted across the mobile crane chassis.
Robotic arms weld first boom segments of the full-length crane. Initial boom segments arranged for assembly along full crane length.
Technicians inspect full-length chassis and boom welds. Hydraulic cylinders staged for full-length boom installation. Hydraulic cylinders mounted along the full-length lattice boom. Partial extension tests verify boom function.
Heavy counterweights staged for the giant crane. Weights slowly installed onto full-length chassis. Precision lasers ensure boom sections are perfectly aligned. Operator cabin frame staged on full-length crane. Cabin base slowly installed onto full-length chassis.
Full-length crane chassis and early boom sections fully staged, ready for mechanical assembly.
Engine parts prepared for the 140-ton full-length crane. Technicians assemble the diesel engine with precision. The massive engine is lowered into the full-length chassis. Hydraulic pumps staged for integration. Pumps and cylinders connected to the full-length crane. Hydraulic cylinders staged for the full-length lattice boom. Cylinders carefully mounted along the crane's boom. Initial boom movement tested for smooth motion. Heavy counterweights staged along full-length chassis. Counterweights bolted onto the full-length chassis. Lasers ensure boom sections are perfectly aligned along the full crane.
Operator cabin staged for mounting on full-length chassis.
Cabin lowered and mounted onto full-length crane. Dashboard, controls, and panels staged for installation. Cabin controls and seats installed with care.
Electrical lines connected across full-length crane.
The full-length crane enters the automated paint booth.
Robotic sprayers coat the full-length crane with primer.
The iconic lemon green color applied evenly across the crane.
Clear coat seals the paint, giving a glossy finish. Heat lamps cure the paint across the full-length crane.
Technicians inspect the glossy finish along full-length surfaces. Boom joints and connections prepared for final assembly.
Boom sections gently connected and checked along full-length crane. All mechanical systems installed and staged for final inspection. Boom fully aligned across the 140-ton full-length crane. Hydraulics activated to verify smooth operation along full-length boom. Operator controls tested across the full-length crane. All lights, signals, and safety systems verified on the full-length crane. All wheels and axles torqued to exact specifications. Boom fully extended in slow motion to confirm alignment. Counterweights inspected and securely fastened across full-length chassis. Cables and pulleys detailed for precise operation along full-length boom. Minor paint adjustments made on full-length crane for perfect finish. Final check of boom joints and hydraulics across the full-length crane. Wheels rotated and suspension checked along full-length chassis. Boom ready for load testing along full-length crane.
Boom lifts weight slowly, testing full-length crane hydraulics.
Boom retracts smoothly along full-length crane.
Technicians inspect every section of the 140-ton crane.
Full-length boom, fully extended for cinematic display. Side view highlights the giant crane's entire length and structure. Cinematic overhead pan captures full crane and production environment. Close-up details of boom and cabin connections along full-length crane. Final inspection of wheels and counterweights on full-length crane. Hydraulic system fully tested across boom and chassis.
Cinematic pullback shows full crane in the factory.
Crane slowly rolls across factory floor, testing movement.
Boom lifts for the final factory demonstration. The giant 140-ton lemon green lattice boom mobile crane stands complete, ready for the world.